Hello student of class 10. Today let's discuss about the refraction of light through a glass slab. So in this glass slab you can see there are two interfaces. First one is AB, which one is AR glass interface, and another interface is CD, which is glass AR interface. So one time the light rays will enter from air to glass medium, so light rays will come closer to the normal, and another time the light rays will go from glass medium to air medium. In this time the light rays will go far from the normal because light is going from the denser medium to the rarer medium. So in this activity you will note that the light rays has changed its direction at points O and at points O dash. Note that points O and O dash lie on surfaces separating two transparent media. Then we need to draw a perpendicular N dash to AV at O and another perpendicular M dash at O dash of CD. The light rays at point O has entered from the rarer medium to denser medium, that is from air to glass. Note that the light rays has bent towards the normal at O dash. The light ray has entered from the glass to air, that is from the denser medium to rarer medium. The light rays has bent away from the normal. Compare the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction at both the refractive surfaces AB and CD. So in this case, EO is the incident ray, O dash is the refracted ray, and O dash H is called the emergent ray. You may observe that the emergent ray O dash H is parallel to the direction of the producing incident ray. Why these are parallel? The extent of bending of the ray of light, the opposite parallel faces AB and CD on the rectangular glass is equal and opposite. This is why the ray of emergent and the producing incident ray is parallel. However, the light ray is shifted sideward slightly. Now we are familiar with the refraction of light. Refraction is due to the change of the speed of light as it enters from the transparent medium to another. Experiments show that refraction of light occurs according to certain laws. The laws are: number one, you see the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence O and O dash all lie on the same plane. So ABCD is a plane, and in this plane you can see the first interface AB and another interface is CD. On the first interface AB you can see the incident ray is EO and the refracted ray is O dash and the normal N dash N. So all are lying at the same plane. The second law we got from the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction, always constant. This law also called the Snell's law, already we have discussed. So we can say the ratio of sine of the angle of incidence and sine of the angle of refraction, that means sine I by sine R, is always constant. That means it is never changing, it is fixed. This ratio is always fixed, and this constant value is called the refractive index of the second media with the first media.